What's up, guys? Welcome to Pavlov. Today, it's TTT, and I'm a detective. Yeah. Hey! Oh, come on! Come on. Just gonna. How? Where do you find that gosh dang 50 cal? Here, you can have that if you want. I got the flashlight. Screw you! Oh! Oh, we're doing time this is a train. Okay. Hello? Shut these, dude. Actually, before that, I want the milk. Yeah? What? Deadeye, what did you say? Deadeye draw, what did you say? Shut up! I'm trying to listen to Deadeye draw. Sorry, what were you saying? Oh, shut up! Sorry, what'd you say? Guys, we gotta do Thomas the Train next round. Yeah, you can call me lover boy. You say I throw my heart around, but you can be my lover girl. Because no one likes clowns. That is very true. You are very annoying. Oh, sexy. Da 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 da. Give me that freaking juice. It's too bad I got the juice. Hey, got the juice. Oh, man, this is a crazy day at work. Careful, you're gonna hurt someone, bro. Hey, Xfinity, careful! Quit waving that gun around. You're gonna hurt someone. Wait, no! I forgot what freaking role I was innocent. Dang. Oh! Bro, Sir Noobsy just said, I have cancer. Why would he do that? Oh my gosh, now the clown has cancer. This is such an awesome but yet painful server. Deagle. Oh. This is the next best thing. Actually, I have brain cancer. I'm gonna have brain cancer in about 3 seconds. Think fast, chuckle nuts! Shit. Oh! Hello, Joss. Hey, are you innocent? I am. Alright, sorry. Yeah. I don't trust the alien. I do not trust the alien. Oh, sorry. Oh! Don't worry, I got this. Catch! I think he caught it. He missed. He didn't catch it. Yeah. Some people just don't, though. Hold on. Yeah. Here, let's play catch. Me and you, let's play catch right here, right now. Come on. You want to play catch? Catch. Let's do it. Give me that waffle. Give me the waffle. Here, catch. Hold on, wait. I got a flashlight. Meow. Aw, good man. You want the milk? Hold on. Wait 1 second. This will be funny, I promise. Hey, boys! I'm back with the milk! I was back with the milk for about 3 seconds. Hey, wait, we gotta do Thomas the Train thing. Ah, bro, you sound like a Fortnite henchman. I got 1 bell. So many choices. No. I'm taking this. Never mind. Frick, I bought the wrong thing. Hello. Hello, good sir. Oh, what the? Look at you. No, screw. Fuck. I mean, literally, you got a water bottle. No! He's not back with the milk yet! Fuck! Me! I wasn't even the one that said that. Hey! He's back with the milk! He's back with the milk! Hey, hold on. No aliens. Hey! Hey, boys! I'm back with the milk! Out the cart. Huh? Hold on, give me a hand grenade. This calls for a funny moment. Hey guys! Why is the microwave beeping? Who put foil in the microwave? Bro, someone put foil in the fucking microwave. Oh god. Dude, I really want to do the Thomas the Train thing. That thing was so funny. I'm so glad that this isn't in Pavlov's shack. Oh, damn. Damn, that's bright. Bro, someone put foil in the microwave! Yes! I have access to a frag. Oh, what the? Hey, do you be eating my booty when I sleep? Oh, hell no. I'm gone. Come with me. I'm gonna do something funny in the cafeteria. Hey, boys! Hey! The microwave's beeping! Did you put foil in there? Someone put foil in the microwave! Help! Someone put foil in the microwave. Dude, someone put frickin' foil in the microwave. Damn. Turnip. Someone put more foil in the microwave. Dude, someone put more foil in the microwave. No, bro, someone put foil in the microwave. It's a glitch that happens. It's a glitch that happens. Oh! Look at that. It looks like perfectly mounted. Oh. Look at that. Guess we're doing a new map. Oh, heck yeah! Hey! Hey, I want to show y'all a flying glitch. Go to the middle pool in the... Never mind, we already got the golden block. Boing, 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 boing. I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway. So beautiful. Hey, wait, do the thing. Do the thing in the pre-round. I want to know what it says. Oh, it isn't. Let me out! Ah! Hey, let me out! Please! Please! Please, before the round starts! Please! Please! You know what? Haha, now I'm out of that lava pool! So, if you play actual Pavlov, you would know in this water, you bob up and down. So, when you go up during the bob and you pause your game like this, it causes you to levitate. I don't know why, but it just happens. Hey! Hey! Ah! Detective! Dude, who was the... Is... Who is? Bro, what happened? What's that texture pack lit? Oh, it's a... Oh! Yeah, he's definitely not gonna move. It's player X, by the way. I immediately get radar. That's the first thing I always buy, because you can't tell. Because sometimes if someone just pumps you in the chest with like a shotgun or something and you die, it doesn't pop out, so they can still die if they shoot you. It's not something that you can drop, so if someone kills you, it's not going to be immediately known that you're a traitor. Where the heck did that... Oh, there he is. He's moving. Wait, what's happening with his arm? Well, now it's better. No, I was talking about player X's arm, not yours. Yours just like a freaking slingshot. Yeah, that's a texture glitch with some body's dismemberment. Bro became Elasta woman, Elasta girl. Can we agree that grenades in this game are a holy addition to TTT? Yeah. Why would we not? He moves like only like 30 feet. How? Oh, wait, yeah, kind of true. No, it's both of their faults. They didn't buy the radar and he was camping. Okay, I'm gonna go out this way. Hello. Boing. Boing. It's called gold, you idiot. Ah! No, you said golden cube. It's called a block. Diamonds! I'm a rich man. Hey! Oh, it's okay. He's sleeping. Who is smoking a ciggy, man? Wait, I'll go in. Test me! Man, get out of here! Do me! Oh, it just says civilian. Okay. Ah! Why? Why? I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything! Oh, you're stuck now! No, no, no! Wait! If someone could do that meme, that would be amazing right there. No, 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 no! Wait! What an idiot! What does he do? Ghost! What are you doing? Because he's British, that's why. Wait, whose body flew? I want to see that. Bro, it still shows my body as taking damage. I can still hear the little, the damage ticks. So you're a freaking PC, dude. Probably got like an i3 or something. Shoot. You make it easy. Wow, West Virginia, take me home. West Virginia, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, take me home to the place I belong. Mountain Mama. Guys, the only reason I don't like the movie Kingsman is because it's British. Do you guys want to play the Minecraft game? Damn it! Guys, let's find the golden block. The Nether. Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia. Take me home to the place. My house! What are you doing to my house? Leave! Leave! Fine, have it. Alright, go to the house on the hill. Boing, boing, boing. Hello? Oh, you did? Hey, do you want a flashbang? I didn't pull the pin yet. Here, I'll set it on right here. Here. Whoa. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey. Shut up! Please! It's annoying! I said enough! Boing, boing. Wee! Oh! I don't even care that the Jester won, dude. At least I killed him. Nothing better than the M4A1. What? What? I got diamonds and you don't. I'm putting them in my furnace. Burn! Golden block? Oh, shoot. Well, I got myself some diamonds. Oh, no one's gonna get this M4A1. Same with the diamonds. Wait, what the heck? Wait! The heck? That makes no sense. Hey, quit it! If I see you shoot one more time, I'm gonna put a cap in your penis. Why did you guys shoot out the windows to my house? I'm trying to pay off rent! I don't know. I did it the first time, though, because he was spamming the frickin' thing. Find the golden block. Do it. It makes the innocence win really easy if everyone cooperates. Cooperates. That's what I said. Cooperate. Oh, gosh. Hello? Hey, do you want this Luger? Too bad. Screw you. Hello? I would advise you not to step out of the Nether. No. I saw that, you prick! Because there was a traitor. You're free to come out now. He literally just shanked someone and then, yeah. What an idiot. Oh! Woo! Okay. Well, I think that's gonna be it. Like, subscribe. See you in the next